So with all of the TikTok and social media drama that's been happening over the last couple of weeks, this is a perfect reminder to not just put your video content up on one platform. You want to distribute that video content to as many places as you can to get the most out of it. And one of the best places to do that right now is YouTube. YouTube has a whole area called YouTube Shorts, which is specifically designed for short form vertical videos, just like what you'd see on TikTok or on Instagram Reels. So you can get started with YouTube even without posting landscape long form videos like this one. You can just re-upload your TikTok and Instagram videos onto the platform to get started. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that really easily and making sure that you maintain the best quality that you can when you are moving video content from one platform to another. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your TikTok account and choose the video that you want to upload. I'm just going to select this one and then tap on the three dots and just click copy link. Then what you're going to want to do is head over to Safari or the browser on your phone and head over to a website called snaptik.app. What you're going to do is then paste in the link that we just copied and tap on download. It's going to give you some different options for downloading the video, and you want the HD version. We're going to tap that and it's going to make you watch an ad. Just tap click continue. It's usually about 5 seconds long, and once the ad is finished playing, you'll be able to download the video to your phone. Once you've tapped downloads, you can see it started to download in the corner of my screen here, and I can just tap on downloads here and see its progress. The reason why we use these steps to download the video instead of just saving it directly from TikTok is for the quality. When you save a video just from TikTok, the quality is quite fuzzy. It definitely goes down a lot, whereas this seems to preserve the quality a lot better. So I'm just going to tap on this and then tap again to save it to my camera roll. Now we can head over to the YouTube app, and down at the bottom you'll see the plus button, and you just want to tap on that and make sure that short is selected at the bottom, not video, not live, but short. You can see my desk, which is clearly needing a bit of a dust here, but you're just going to tap on the thumbnail in the bottom left corner to upload from your camera roll. If we tap down, it's going to process the video and then take us to the next step. Tap the tick button and then tap next. And then we need to give our video a caption. This is a lot shorter than the caption that you would use on Instagram or on TikTok. So you just tap on it and you probably just want to use about a sentence worth of text here. And then we also want to use a couple of hashtags as well to give the YouTube algorithm some context about what our video is about. So you can see there that it's cutting me off at 100 characters. So we're just going to keep it as that. And then we also want to set the thumbnail image as well. So just tap on the pen here and then we can just choose a thumbnail from the video. I'm just going to go with that one. Then as we scroll down, we have some other information that you can set. You can choose a location if that's relevant. You can choose who the audience is for. And what you definitely want to do is add a related video. So if you tap on this, you can choose one of your previous uploads. Obviously, it only makes sense if you have previous uploads. And what that's going to do is have YouTube suggest this video for someone to watch next after watching your video. And this is just an important step to make sure that people are staying on your content for as long as possible. Once you've done that, you can either save this as a draft or just upload it straight away and it will start uploading to your account. You can do basically the exact same thing with Instagram videos. So you just tap on the video and then go to the share icon, which is the little paper airplane, copy the link. And then what you're going to want to do is instead of going to Snaptik, you want to go to snapinst.app instead, which is essentially the same thing. Paste in the URL just as we did before, tap download and then tap download video again to download it to your phone and follow the same steps. Back over here on YouTube, I can see that my short has been uploaded and this is what it looks like. Hopefully this was useful for helping you to distribute your video content to more places and easily get started with YouTube. Let me know what you think in the comments and I'll see you again soon with another video.